Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss a break statement. What is the main purpose of break statement? During the execution of a loop, if you want to comes out of loop early, that is before completion of the condition or before completion of the entire loop. If you want to comes out of a loop early, we are using break statement. And at the same time, inside the switch case also, we are using break statement. That is, once a case is executed, to comes out of the switch statement, we are using this break statement. So break statements are used inside while loop, do while loop, for loop, and switch statement. Generally, for execution of a break statement, we are using some condition. Suppose if the condition is satisfied, the break is executed. Once the break is executed, we comes out. In case of the most important thing is nested loops, either nested while loop, nested do while, nested for, whatever it is. In case of nested loop, once the break is executed, it comes out only the smallest enclosing do. Only the smallest enclosing. That means instead of completely comes out of the nested for loop, we comes out of only inner loop, not from the complete program, only from the inner loop, and then continue its execution from the next statement. Continue its execution from the next statement. This is the break statement. This is the break statement. Here simply we are using the keyword break. Break is the keyword. Okay. Now we will discuss some syntax. The syntax is simply break. Consider one example. A simple example. Main int I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 10. Sorry, while I less than or equal to 10. Printf percentage d comma I, if I is equal to some 5, if I is equal to 5, break I plus plus. Suppose here I am writing one more statement, printf some statement like this, hello. Now I will explain the procedure. What is the one? First initialization, 1 less than or equal to 10, 1 is printed. It checks the condition, 1 is equal to 5. No, here I am not using any bracket, only this is a block. So condition is failed. So break is not executed. I plus plus, I value becomes 2. Now 2 less than or equal to 10, print 2 value. Again the condition fail. I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. For example, I plus plus, I value is equal to some 5. I value is equal to some 5. So 5 is printed and then checks the condition. If 5 is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 5, break. Once the break is executed, we comes out of the loop hello. So the answer is 1 2 3 4 5 hello only. It does not print the remaining values. We have only a single for loop. Once the for loop is executed, we comes out of that particular loop. Now I will explain one more program related to nested for loop. For I is equal to 1, some I less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. For j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 4, j plus plus. Printf percentage d I comma j. Suppose here I am writing the condition, if j is equal to 2, break. Suppose here I am writing one more condition, printf out of, suppose some message, out of inner loop. For clearly understanding, printf backslash n. See, what is the procedure? First time I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 4, condition true. J is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 4. I value, J value, that is I value 1, J value 1, both are printed. If J is equal to 2, no, the condition is not true. So J value is equal to 2. So initially J is equal to 1. Now J is incremented, 2 less than or equal to 4. Again, ij value is printed. What is I value? 1. J value is 2. If J is equal to 2, the condition is true. Once the condition is true, break. Break in the sense we comes out of this loop only. You got it? In the case of nested for loop, we comes out of this inner loop only and then execute this statement. What is the statement? Here the message out of inner loop is printed and then execute backslash and cursor move to the new line. Now again I plus plus, I value is equal to 2. Now j is equal to 1. So j value 1 is printed, I value 2, j value 2 is printed. Now whenever j value is equal to 2, break, comes out of the loop, out of inner loop. Now 3 1 3 1 4 1 3 2 4 2, out of inner loop, out of inner. You got it? Whenever j value is equal to 2, we comes out of the inner loop only. This is the case of nested for loop. Simply we already discussed how do we are using break statement in switch case. Okay, please refer that example also. Next we will move to continue in the next session. Continue statement in the next statement. Next session. Thank you.